Yeah, he's screwed. Oh my god. Oh! Yep, he's stuck. Oh! How much to pull out an F450? I'll tell him to stop. And Steve's stuck. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the channel. If you thought the F450 was bad getting stuck, you're not going to want to miss this. Alright guys, so the military truck is now stuck, and I decided, you know what the heck, you know, I bought this truck to use it. It's a workhorse. I was down there playing around. I drove it up and out fine. It didn't do it, you know, have any kind of struggles or anything. Now it is soupy mud down there and everything like that, but I think we got enough weight to get that army truck up and out. So we're gonna go down there and we're gonna pray that we can get old girl down there and get her back out. Come on, girl, I got faith in you. All right, so I literally forewarned him not to come down here. Four-wheel drive? I am.
Oh. Yeah, he's stuck.
Oh,
six-wheel drive.
Shit.
How are we gonna get all these vehicles out of here?
Mike's gonna pay for them all.
Oh. He has the bigger account.
Yeah.
Dude, these are so deep.
Look at those ruts.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to follow his ruts. He'd hammer down if you're going through it. Oh, shit.
Pull my window up.
The window don't even work on this side.
There.
They're all child locked. Unlock the windows, dick. We're getting much slower.
He unlocked.
They're unlocked.
And we're fucked.
We're not fucked. It'll go.
This will go. We didn't sink yet.
We're gonna give him distance. I literally told him before we came down here not to do that. We have no choice. I can't. I'm not gonna bury myself up to him. Well, we did freshly detail the F450, but we're bringing it out to have some fun.
Right here, a little soft.
Definitely soft.
He just found the down fence.
The down fence. I told him not to come back. He wasn't listening. He wasn't having it.
He was like, I'm going. Go for it.
Wow.
Dude, I was like, here's the 450 and it's not pulling that out even a little
Yeah.
bit.
I mean, if we all get our, like, if we both get our wheels moving, we should be good, but... Dude, we weigh the same. I'm 10,000 pounds. You know I'm 10,000 pounds. You were there.
Yeah, but you know how much those actually weigh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I was gonna say,
That's got 5-ton axles.
yeah. They're not 10K.
Look at that. Terrible, I just detailed it.
I'm glad you brought it in.
How do I let you talk me into this stuff?
It's fun. It's all fun. It's all fun.
Didn't I tell you it's soft? I told you it was soft. I would just grab a high gear and go. Once you get the fence out of it. Yeah.
I'm gonna back up and get that wire to you.
Yeah.
Back up. Alright, you'll see us.
How's the water?
Oh, it's great. The water's great. It's very good.
Yeah.
Good swimming weather.
I almost want to put the 450 in here.
Don't be scared.
I'm not.
No swimming required. That's only what? About 34 inches of water on a 35-inch tire?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I got 40s and 5,000 pounds on you guys. I should be fine.
That's fine. Not even quite 35 inches of water.
Yeah.
Testing my door seals. Good undercarriage wash.
Yeah. Oh, it got me wet. Oh my God. At first, he probably had that thing in the parking lot for like a month and was like, I don't know why I bought this thing. Everything he's ever paid for it is like happiness, yeah. Yeah. No way. Oh. He needs to grab a higher gear than that. No? How many gears are in that?
5.
5. Mike's shooting roosters over here. After he got out over there, his confidence level went through the roof. I don't think Mike's stuck. Mike can back out, I think.
One wheel won't move.
Oh, really? At this point, he's got his grooves just too deep. It ain't gonna do it. The 5-ton is over here just shooting rooster tails.
Yeah, I'm too scared. I know.
How do you turn the picture back on when it goes dark like
Just
that?
touch it. It's a little muddy because of that over there.
Was it cleaner than this when you saw it?
Yes.
That's the definition of insanity, doing the same thing
Over and over and over.
Why would you do that?
I would tell him to stop because right now he's just digging himself deeper, and I'm gonna try to back up here and I can probably yank.
Then
I mean, I would tell him to stop, but it'll just make it pretty.
Right now his energy level was here, then it went here when he got stuck, and then it went back up here, and now it's coming back down.
I think he got it. Hey guys, future videos, there's way too many of us.
This is a terrible idea, but we're gonna go for it. Steve's going full send. There's so much going on right now. Uh-oh.
No, yes!
Got it!
Done. Well done. He almost did. Okay. No.
Did you see how fast they scrambled?
Wait, how come they didn't know that was gonna happen? That's great.
here's my dad's phone. Jump.
What's up?
Here's my dad's phone.
Well, here, just put.
Everyone's in the Tahoe now.
Here.
This is why you have to buy these things with leather seats.
Alright, where are we going?
Oh, it's wet. Oh, it's so wet.
What do you want? You want the steering or the gas? I'll do that. I got the steering. You got the steering. I got the gas. Are we going out around or how are we going?
What? No, I'm not down there. He's ready to give you a yank.
Yeah, he was
Oh, the chain came undone. Hey. Chain's undone.
You gotta get in the truck.
In the truck. Chain's undone. Yeah.
Terrible.
They laugh.
You got so much mud on your face, it's hilarious.
That's because he floored. There's another chain over there.
Literally,
Yeah.
literally looks like somebody diarrhea on your face.
Here's the idea with this one.
Here.
Yes, if I successfully pull them out. Just, you don't even have to record.
That's a nice little.
I'm dead on my battery.
That's a nice little leap of faith.
Well, boys, here goes nothing.
I forgot how bumpy your ride is.
It's a little stern.
It's a little bit more bumpy than the dirt.
A little stern. far so good. We made it down here with ease.
You don't sound like that right there.
I think we're gonna be all right. Now, I had better experience pulling backwards because of the weight versus turning around and doing it, so don't judge my recovery tactic here. He's saying he doesn't have a shovel up there, so
We're done.
we're hoping for the best.
This is the last ditch effort.
This is the last ditch effort. Yeah. You might as well just take your shoe off and use your shoe at that point. Yeah. Well, let me get hooked up here. All right, 450 is gonna give it a shot. I mean, the 450 is pretty heavy, nothing compared to that. But I think he might have a chance because it looked like we were getting it a little bit with the Blazers, with the team of Blazers. It looked like it was budging a little bit, I don't know. So the 450 might have a chance. The thing of it is though, that right front tire is so deep. It doesn't look like it right now, but I kid you not, the hole that that tire is in is like off this bank into the, like that's how deep it is. It's just so held up by that front tire. It's gonna be really, really hard to get it out. So we'll see, I don't know. But I think he might have a chance. He might have a chance. Good. All right, here we go.
All right, go.
Go up a little bit here. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. All right. It might be moving a little bit. All right. Give her a good one. I think it's that front wheel. You could go up more, Steve, so you're in the drive.
Yeah, now the frame's stuck on it. Because the front's not even moving.
Alright, that's all I worry about. I ain't bringing him up that fucking thing.
No. We
Oh, that's not happening.
Because the front tires or the frame's stuck.
What I was thinking, well, I need 4 of my trucks. I need 2 light duty, medium duty, and heavy duty. Who's Gus? It's me.
That's
Okay.
gas.
So, I'm going to send my latest 4-wheel drive down, put 100 grade chain on that, to about here. My next light duty is going to be about 150 feet in front of it. And then
So
200 feet in
fucked.
front of it's going to be my medium duty, and my heavy is going to sit up on the hill. We'll pull it all out in one time.
4 trucks.
4 trucks. It's going to be about $1,000.
That sounds like a plan.
His truck in place of one of your trucks to try to save some money? No, because I don't trust his truck. It's not one of mine. If that chain comes back to shatter his windshield, that's on me.
No, that's not it.
Liability. Yeah. It's called CYA. Cover your ass.
Definitely.
$1,000.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we don't want to do that. I mean, I could call
There
it
is-
or deuce it.
You
if
could
want.
you could make it 10 grand. Honestly, I don't think it has a chance.
Yeah. You want 2 deuces? I'll bring them in. You're paying for it. One's coming from Front Royal, Virginia. And he has a record on the back of his. He'll drive up the creek. You got nothing strong in here to come along and cut it off. That whole tree's coming down. You're stuck on frame. Truck's going in the creek. What it's going to be is going to be a 40-ton record sitting up on the hill pulling everything. With 100 grade chain. Because that cheap shit there, I won't use it. Huh? Do I get to drive it back down the creek?
Absolutely.
Oh, fuck yeah, you don't have to be here.
There you go.
Huh? Hopes and dreams most of the time. Okay.
So bad. So bad. So bad. It is awesome. Once he goes up, I'm gonna give her a couple more yanks. Yeah, give her a couple. Yeah, he's screwed.
Oh my god.
Oh!
Yep, stop. Oh! How much to pull out an F450? I'll tell him to stop. And Steve stopped. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. He's got it. Get out of here. I think he's got it. If he makes it to the grass over there, he's good.
I think Steve is officially sending.
Yeah, he's sending. He's like, I gotta get out of here.
Is that John in the back?
I think he's still in the back. Ah. Damn it. Oh no! I got it.
I hope you got
I got it.
She was doing work.
Dude, I thought you were fucking. No.
God.
I had to keep getting it up into high gear. Well, we're out officially. Holy smokes. That is some mudly mud.
I lost my shoes. I don't know what cable this was.
It's good. We don't care about that cable. This guy wanted another recovery. Unfortunately, that ain't gonna happen today.
What's gonna happen? He's gotta bring 4 trucks, he said.
My trans was not happy about that whatsoever. Alrighty guys, now we are back. We're definitely going to have to detail the F450 again, but man, I love endeavors like that. Now, it was definitely like spur of the moment thing. Definitely didn't anticipate to be going out there. I basically came home. I sprayed off the windows and the mirrors and the front window because I really couldn't actually see anything. I wasn't going to do the rest of the truck yet. I mean, I literally had to have the hammer down to get me out of where we were. So basically what happened there was the Duece ended up just being completely too stuck. There was nothing I was going to do. The only thing I was going to do is risk getting my truck stuck too, and then we would have had 2 trucks that were actually stuck in the mud and things like that. So basically what I guess what I'm gathering at this point is I'm gonna have to buy a Duece. So let me know, guys, if you think I should buy a Duece. Drop a comment down below. But I definitely had a great time today. The kids had a blast. They were covered in mud. I actually washed out their 4-wheeler because that thing was just freaking disgusting too. But that's what it's about, getting out there and making memories with the kids and obviously some friends. As you can tell over here, the 4-wheeler is actually cleaned up. We got her looking good. The seat actually has kind of formed to the color of mud because we've been going mudding a lot lately. But I think the kids enjoy it. It's something that I definitely enjoy. Look at the mud hanging off of the mirrors. I mean, I was full send when it was time to get out of that mud hole. As you can tell by Mike running up, you can hear my truck just bogging down, and it was a good 500-yard run. So there you have it, guys. If you like the content, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I can definitely promise you we're going to have a lot more fun off-roading and things like that once Project the Bruce is done. Now, obviously, like I did say, I didn't really want to off-road this truck, but you know, it's always fun to go down and try to help out a friend. If I could have got him out, it probably would have saved him, you know, I think it was $1,000 tow bill. They sent 4 wreckers to get him out and everything like that. So if I could have got him out, it would have been an awesome recovery vehicle video. But I mean, I think this video turned out pretty good. What do you guys think? So again, guys, take care, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Say bye, Deez.